Hey guys, today we're going to take a look at how to express supposition. For example, we're going to look at another way of being able to say if in Japanese. Now, there are a number of different ways of saying if in Japanese, and we've looked at the tara form in the past, and today we're going to use the nara form. Now, there are differences between the different ways of saying if. And in this case, nara is used when you want to say that under a certain condition, something will happen. So if this particular condition is met, then something will happen. So let's take a look at how we use nara with nouns, adjectives, and verbs. Let's start here with nouns. What we'll do is we simply attach nara to the end of our noun. For example, if it is Mr. Tanaka that you want, he is probably teaching now. Tanaka sensei nara ima oshiete iru desho. So we have our noun, which is Mr. Tanaka, Tanaka sensei, and we've simply attached nara to that. So if it is Mr. Tanaka, Tanaka sensei nara. If we've got a na adjective, we simply chop off the des and attach nara. For example, if this room were quiet, could you study better? この部屋が静かならもっとよく勉強できますか? In this case, we have our na adjective, shizuka, and we've simply attached nara to that. Shizuka nara, if it were quiet. So that's the condition that needs to be met. If the room was quiet, then you could study better. With verbs, we simply put them into their plain form, and we can add an optional no or n to the verb before we put in nara. By inserting the no, or simply the shortened version of no, which is n, we're changing our verb to act more like a noun. So instead of the verb iku simply meaning go, it now means going. For example, if you are going to town, please buy some bread. 町に行くのならパンを買ってきてください. Or 町に行くならパンを買ってきてください. So we have here our verb in its plain form, and the optional no or n can go directly after it, followed by nara. If we have an I adjective, we can also insert the no or the n after the I adjective and follow that with nara. Otherwise, we can just simply leave it out. For example, if we did not have to study for entrance exams, I would be delighted to do voluntary activities. 受験勉強しなくてもいいなら、喜んでボランティア活動をします. Or 受験勉強しなくてもいいのなら、喜んでボランティア活動をします. Now, please note that in modern speech, n or no is often dropped, and deshita or datta becomes datta nara. There is little difference between dattara and datta nara. So that's about all for this topic, but if you have any questions or comments, please let me know.